Okay, today we'll start doing some problems. We have done already different integration, maximum we have covered. Let us see some more problems. Now, zero to a square minus x square whole raised to 7 by 2 dx. Right? Now, let x is equal to a sin square theta. Then what will happen? Sorry, a sin theta. Let x is equal to a sin theta. Then what will happen? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. X is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, a, theta is equal to pi by 2. Enduku sir ikkada? For example, if you take x is equal to a and a will get cancelled 1, sin theta is equal to 1, so theta is equal to pi by 2. So that limits will become 0 to pi by 2. X is replaced by a sin theta into a square minus a square sin square theta whole raised to 7 by 2 into dx is replaced by a cos theta d theta. So, a cos sin theta into, take a square common, seven by 2 a cos theta d theta. So this will become a power 7 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta whole raised to 7 by 2 means cos power 7 theta, right? Here a cos theta d theta. Now 0 to pi by 2 a, here a power 7, a power 9 it will become, and here sin theta into cos power 8 theta d theta. Therefore, pi by 2 sin theta. Right? Now, look at here. Here, compare. Cos n theta d theta. ఈ ఫార్ములాతో కంపేర్ చేయాలి సార్. sin power m cos power n theta d theta. Here m is 1, n is 9. What is that? M is 1, n is 8. Right? M is 1, n is 8. Here n is even, m is odd. Therefore, formula is what, sir? Formula. And next m series start cheyali sir. Right. So what will happen? Now, so n minus 1 means what, sir? 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 9, 8 here a power 9 as is ఉంటుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ. Okay, 8 minus 1, 8 minus 3 by 9 minus 2, 8 minus 5 by 9 minus 4, 8 minus 7 by 9 minus 6. Okay, next one m minus 1, m is 1, so it will not come. So what will happen? A power 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 7, 3 by 5, 1 by 3. Right? So any cancellation is there, you can do cancellation. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled here. A power 9 by 9. What is the answer? A power 9 by 9. Here in the formula application. Okay, right? Please note down this. Zero to 2 x power 3 by 2 root of 2 minus x dx. Okay, x power 3 by 2 root of 2 minus x. Now let x is equal to 2 sin square theta. Observe here, ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకున్నా x is equal to 2 sin square theta, dx is equal to d theta, that is dx is equal to 4 sin theta cos theta, right? Now x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, 2 రాసినప్పుడు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది సార్. sin square theta is equal to 1 అప్పుడు sin theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, now look at here, 0 to pi by 2, x is replaced by 2 sin square theta pi by 2 root of theta into dx is replaced by 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. So this will be sin power 5 theta, 2 common into cos theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 2, 2 power 5 by 2. Observe here, sin power 5, 2 we have taken common, so it will be in the root. 2 power 1 by 2 అవుతుంది సార్. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఉన్న కాబట్టి 2 power 1 by 2. 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, square root is there, so it becomes cos theta into 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now observe here, power is 1 by 2, here 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 6 by 2, that is 3 అవుతుంది సార్. అప్పుడు 0 to pi by 2, 2 power 3 sin power 5 into cos theta into 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. So 2 power 3 means 8. 8 into 4, 32. 0 to pi by 2. Here sin power 5, here sin power. So sin power 6 theta. Cos into cos, cos square theta d theta. So here sin power m theta, cos power n theta d theta. N is 2, m is 6. So formula is n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on and so forth, m minus 1 by m, so on and so forth, pi by 2. ఇది ఈవెన్ సార్. Okay, so here n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 6, 8. Next n minus 3 rods are, next m series start అవుతుంది. m is what? 6 minus 1 by 6, 6 minus 3 by 6 minus 2, 6 minus 5 by 6 minus 4 into pi by 2. So this becomes 1 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 5. Here ఇక్కడ ఒకటి మిస్ అయ్యాం సార్, ఇంటూ 32. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది సార్ 32 మనకి. సో 3 by 5, 1 by 2, pi by 2 into 32. Therefore, so finally 32 into 1 by 8 into 5 by 6, 3 by 5, 1 by 2, pi by 2. Simplification చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్. So what is important here? Substitution చేసిన తర్వాత we are getting into sin power m, cos power m. Please note on this. Next, 0 to 1, x power 3 by 2 1 minus 6 under root. So x is equal to sin square theta. Whatever x is equal to sin square theta cos theta dt. Okay, dx is equal to sin theta cos theta. X is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 2. X power అంటే ఏంటి సార్? sin square whole raised to 3 by 2 root of 1 minus sin square theta dx is d theta. This will be sin cube theta, this is cos theta, this is 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. అంతే కదా సార్, క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది sin cube theta. So this is because 0 to sin cube means 2 will be outside. Right? Sin power 4 sin cube. So sin power 4 cos. Again compare. Cos theta dt. Again m value 4, n value 2. So again n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, so on so forth, m minus m by m pi by 2. Because here it is even. Pi by 2 ఎందుకు వస్తుంది సార్? ఈవెన్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి. n minus 1, 2 minus 1 by m plus n 6. Okay, 2 minus 3 will not come. M series start అవుతుంది సార్. 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2, next into pi by 2. Here 2 is there. So what will happen? 2 into 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. This will be 2 times 8, 16. Pi by 16. Okay, observe here the formula substitution, then putting the formula. Okay, please note on this. Minus a to plus a x square 3 by 2 dx. Okay, let x is equal to a sin theta, ax is equal to a cos theta d theta. Okay, x is equal to a, theta is equal to pi by 2, because a and a will get cancelled. Sin theta is equal to 1 వస్తుంది సార్ d. X is equal to minus a, theta is equal to minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, x square a square sin square theta, a square minus x square into a cos theta d theta. So it is because pi by 2 a square sin square theta, here 3 by 2. A square కామన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్? 1 minus sin square theta వస్తుంది, which is cos square theta. So to make you understand, I'll write that step. 3 by 2 a cos theta d theta minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 a square sin square theta. A square కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది సార్? a power 3 అవుతుంది, because power 3 by 2 is there. A cube 1 minus sin square means cos square, so cos cube into a cos theta d theta. So a power 4, a power 6 sin square theta cos power 4 d theta. Now f of theta is sin square theta cos power 4 theta d theta. ఎందుకు సార్ ఇక్కడ sin square cos power 4 ఉంది. So f of minus theta is equal to, again same thing will come, which is even function. Therefore this becomes 0 to pi by 2 2a power 6. Then a power 6 also will become 2a power 6 అయిపోతుంది సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుంది, sin square theta cos power 4 d theta. Again m is 2, n is 4, 2a power 6, n minus 1, 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 6, 4 minus 3 by into m minus 1, 2 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So many times we have applied, so I am writing directly. This will be 3 by 6 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 2 will get cancelled, 3 will be 2 times. So pi a power 6 by 2 into 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8, 8 2s are 16, sorry. There sir, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So here 2 into 4, 8, 8 2s are 16. So pi a power 6 by 16. So here even function we got and we are substituting this. Okay, let us see one more problem. Next. Okay, observe this product. You call it as I. Again, I is equal to pi minus 6 whole raised to 7 whole raised to 6 dx is equal to sin 180 minus theta sin theta. So this becomes sin power 7x cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, but power is 6 is there, so cos power 6x dx. You call it as second one, you call it as first one. So 2i 0 to pi x sin power 7x cos power 6x plus 1 plus 2. So pi minus x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. So 2i is equal to, okay, if you take open the bracket, minus sin x power sin power plus cancel అయిపోతాయి సార్. ఇక్కడ minus x ఉంది, ఇక్కడ plus x ఉంది, cancel అయిపోయి it will be pi into cos power 6x dx. Again cos power 6x dx. Again 0 to 2a fx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. E formula apply చేసాను సార్. So 0 to a will become 2a is becoming a, pi will become pi by 2. So 2 2 will get cancelled. I is equal to pi into, gara m value 7, n value 6. So 7, 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 7, 6 minus 3 by into this is over, n series is over, m series. మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది సార్, 7 minus 7 by 1 into 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 4. So what will happen, pi into 5 by 13, 3 by 9, sorry 11 into 1 by 9, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, 2 by 3. 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5. So If you simplify this, you will get answer pi. What is the answer? 16 pi by 3003. Okay, if you cancel all that cancellation, if you do it. Okay, cancellations ఇక్కడ 5 cancel అయిపోతుంది సార్, 3 will get cancelled. Okay, next 3 2s are 3 3s are, so 2 into 4 into 2 8, then 13 11 3 7, if you multiply you get 3003. Okay, these are the models which we have completed in different integration sir. ఇంకా దీంట్లో లాస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఒకటి మిగిలింది సార్, ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్స్. ఓకే, ఇంకా బ్లూ ప్రింట్ వచ్చేదాకా ఏ సిలబస్ ఉందో ఏ సిలబస్ లేదో తెలియదు సార్. సో విల్ బి డూయింగ్ దట్ చాప్టర్ ఆల్సో, దట్ పార్ట్ ఆల్సో, ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్వ్స్, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో దేర్. Okay, so we'll discuss that in the next class sir.